Number 4, happy birthday. Foul. Good for 1. In favor of zone 5. Number 30 to number 8. Pass to number 6 to number 8 again. And dribbling the ball. 10 feet. To number 2. To number 15 again. 10 for 2. 13. Number 13. 10 for 2. 24. Number 8. Number 8 to number 13. And 10 for 3. 4. O'Brien. First, the subject number 13. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass on number 28. Number 28, no good. Number 24, 40 seconds. Number 8. Number 8 to number 3. Number 15, 2. Number 8 to number 13, 10 for 3. Number 15, 3. Number 8 to number 3. Number 3 to number 15.
5 to show.
Number 2. 4 to number 24 to number 25. 10 for 2. Number 8. 24. Number 24 to 13. 2 points.
3 minutes and 50
10 for 3. Number 25. Hey, rebound with number 15. Number 15. Number 4 to 13 again. 10 for 3. The ball. Number 8 to number 4. Number 8 for 7. 10 for 3. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. 10 for 2.
Substitution.
Pass to number 26. 26 for 2 points. Another 26. 26 to number 24. 2. Number 8 to number 15 for 2 points. To 26 to Birdie Boy. Birdie Boy to number 26, intended for 2. Down by number 31 for 2. No good again. Number 13 to number 8. Number 8 to number 6 for 2. To number 8. Number 8 to number 6 for 2. Number 2. Number 2 intended for 3. Abayan, number 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4. Number 4, 10 for 2. Number 4. Number 4, 10 for 2. Points for number 4. Number 15 to number 2 is dribbling the ball. Ay, happy birthday. Jersey number 4, happy birthday. Oh, jersey number 4, happy birthday. Oh, number 7 for 2. 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24, 10 for 2, no good. Rebound by number 8, pass to number 7, last touch. Number 13. Number 2 is dribbling the ball. Set. Okay na. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 8. Number 8. 10 to shoot. Abayon. No good. Rebound by number 2. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 6. And kickball violation. Number 24 to number 13. Pass to number 31. Number 31, 10 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 15. 15 to number 2. Number 2, 10 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 31. Foul. Number 7. First personal foul. Padroguez, number 7. First team foul. Number 13 to number 8. Number 8, 10 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 15. Number 15 for 2. No good. And trolling violation. Points for number 8. Number 8, 10 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 8. Is shooting ball, 10 for 2. No good. Foul. Number 8, Lorigas. First personal foul. Number 8. And first team foul. Good for 1. Points for number 8. Score 6-2 in favor of zone 5. Number 31. 2 in favor of zone 5. Number 31 for 2 points. Number 2 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. Number 7 attempted layup. Blocked by high foul by number 31. Second team foul. First personal foul. Number 31. Score 6-4. 7 na siya. 7-4. Stepping on the line, number 7. Number 13 attempted for 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 8 to 24. Intercepted by number 8. Pass to number 6 to number 8 again. And dribbling the ball, 10 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 15. No good. And intercepted number 13. Pass to number 4. Number 4, 10 for 2. No good. Rebound by 31. And 2 points for 31. Foul number 6. Pushing foul. Second personal foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Okay, rebounding up. Number 24 to number 13. He's dribbling the ball. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Foul. Number 24. Foul counted. Number 24 is foul. Timeout. Okay. Basta ma-shot, timeout. Timeout, timeout. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24 to number 13 again. To number 4. Tempted for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 8. Number 8 to number 2 to number 15 again. Tempted for 2 points for number 15. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. 3 minutes and 25 seconds for 2. Number 2 dribbling the ball, pass to number 7 to number 15. Number 15 to number 2. Attempted for 3, no good. Rebound by number 31. Number 31, pass to number 13. Number 13, attempted for 2. Points for number 13. Number 2 to number 8. Number 8. What's that? Holding foul, number 13. First personal foul, number 13. Under penalty. Zone 3. Number 6. Foul again. Taas kamot. Number 31. Penalty. Olympia or number 31, second personal foul. Basta mo shoot, basta mo shoot.
Sablay.
Time out. Zone 5.
At sa baba pa ng basement.
Ball. Number 13 is handling the ball. Pass to number 24 to number 4. Attempted for 3. No good. Oy. Number 8, pass to number 4. Number 4, no good. Number 2 is dribble pass number 8 and last touch number 4. 13 to shoot. Number 7 is dribbling the ball. Attempted for 2, no good. Rebound by number 15. For 2, no good again. Rebound by number 15 again. And attempted for 2 again, no good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Dribbling the ball pass to number 13. 13 for 2, no good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 6. And attempted for 2, no good. Rebound by number 13. Oi! What's that? The foul number 8, Ibanez. Bonniers, first personal foul, third team foul. We have 1 minute and 36 seconds more to play. 13 to 8. Number 8 is dribbling the ball. 9 to shoot. Number 4, no good. Number 24, number 8. Number 8 to number 13 and 10 to 4, 3. Points for number 13. Brother. Third intercepted number 13. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass on number 28. Number 28, no good. Number 24, for 2 points. Seconds to play. Score 15-16 in favor of Zone 5. Seconds. Number 8. Foul counted. Taas kamot, kinsay naka-foul. Number 24 is foul. Penalty. Three points for number 8. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. We have 27 seconds more to play. Number 4 to 13. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. Number 24, no good. Rebound by number 2. Seconds. Foul number 8. Penalty. Yes, seconds. 8 and 9 seconds more to go. 1 point for number 15. Another 1. Two points. Number 4 to number 13. Dribbling the ball. Foul number 2. Batingolo. Under penalty, ref. Number 4, 2. Oh, yeah, to the 14, no good. Number 13, rebound, 4-2. Points, timeout. Timeout, time na time. Time for the second quarter. By number 13. Number 8 to number 3. Number 15 for 2. Points for number 15. Number 8 to number 13, Kevin for 3 points. For number 13 again. 15 to number 8. Number 8 is dribbling the ball, 10 for 2, no good. Oi. Number 13 is holding the ball. Hey. Jumbo. It's like a ball. Okay. Zone 5's ball. Number 3 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4 to number 8. Number 8 to number 11. Number 11, traveling. A violation. Number 4 to number 13. Number 13 to number 8. Number 8 is dribbling the ball, pass to number 4. Number 4 to Uy! 31 for 2 points. Timeout! Zone 5. Number 3, pass to number 2. Number 2 to number 8. Dribbling the ball. Attended for 2. Points for number 8. Number 13 is dribbling the ball.
Whistle, whistle, foul. Jersey number 3. 31, Mangompia. Mangompia, third personal foul. First team foul for the second quarter. Substitution ref.
Number 15 for 3. Points for number 15. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Attempted for 2. No good. But foul number 11.
Si Kuan, si Gulayat at si David.
Pagbaya, first personal foul. First team foul for the second quarter.
Oh. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 2. Number 2 to number 3 again. To number 2. Number 2 to number 15.
Time to shoot.
Number 8 to number 3. Number 3 to number 15.
Time to shoot.
For 2 points. For number 15. Ayay. Paliw kog insert sa uniform. Penalty. Technical number 8.
Substitution ref.
Scored 31-24. Zone 5. Number 4 to number 24 to number 25. 10 for 2. Points for number 25. Number 11 to number 2 is dribbling the ball. Number
15 to
2.
shoot.
What's that? Pushing. Foul.
Foul
Number
jersey.
11.
Pagbaya, jersey number 11. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Substitution. Wait. No good for number 8. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 15. Wait. Intercepted by number 8. Pass to number 13. Oops. By number 8. Pass to number 13. Oops.
Foul.
Foul. Number 8.
Ibanez, second personal foul, third team foul for zone 5. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time.
Number 13 to number 24. Number 24 to 13. 2 points. 24. Number 24 to 13, 2 points for number 13. Score 28-31. Number 8 for 2 points. 13 is dribbling the ball.
3 minutes and 50
Number 14
seconds.
dribbling the ball.
3 minutes and 50
Number 14
seconds.
points for number 13. Number 2 is dribbling the ball. Number 2 traveling. Violation. Sub ref.
Both teams reserve daan ang sub, ha?
Number 25 for 2. Number 25 for 2. Number 7 is dribbling the ball. Number 7 to number 2. Number 2 to number 7 again. 10 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Last touch.
13 to shoot.
33 all. Number 2 is that
To shoot.
33 all. Number 2 is that counted? Dili.
Jersey number
24.
24.
Foul.
Foul counted.
Number 8.
Okay, jersey number 8. Third personal foul, second team foul.
Lorigas to. Dili Ibanez.
Sanchez.
Hey, rebound by number 15. Number 15. Counted. Was foul number 25.
Sanchez.
Hey, rebound by number 15. Number 15. Counted. Was foul number 25. Is foul.
Time out, time out.
Time
Timeout
out
ref.
in favor of zone. Number 13 is dribbling the ball past to number 4. Number 4 to 13 again. Taylor for 3. No good. Number 8 is dribbling the ball. Hey, number 8 is dribbling the ball. Hey, intercepted by number 8. Number 8 to number 13. No good. Way. Number 8. Oops. To number 25 to number 13. Is dribbling the ball. Way, intercepted by number 15. Number 15 is dribbling the ball, pass to number 2. Number 2, foul. Pushing foul, number 13.
Zone 3 under penalty. 15 seconds shot clock. 13 seconds pa yan.
Number 8
8 to shoot.
Number
5 to
8.
shoot.
Number
5 to shoot.
Headed for 2. Foul number 4. Is it foul? Number 4 is foul. Penalty. Number 4. First personal foul, number 4.
Hubo kayo, hubo. Nakaligaw mo. Defense kayo, bisag. May klarong foul, foul.
Alright, rebound by 15 for 2. Alright, rebound by 15 for 2. Points for number 15. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. 13 to number 8. Number 8 to number 4 for 2. Number 8 to number 4 for 2. Points for number 4.
Score 39-35.
Dek, diri ka.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Number 8 for 2 points. Number 8 for 2 points for number 8. Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 8. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 13. Number 13 to number 4. For 2. Pass to number 13. Number 13 to number 4. For 2. Points again for number 4.
Score 37-41. Still in favor of Zone 5. Seconds to play.
Number 8 for 2 points. Number 8 for 2 points. Number 4 pass 2. Intercepted by number 7. Number 7 pass to number 15. 15 to number 2. Attended for 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 25 to number 8. And 2 points, number 8.
30 seconds.
Number 8 is dribbling the ball.
20. 10 to shoot.
Number 8
5 to shoot.
to number 7. Attended for 3. Points for number 7. 3. No good. Time. Number 25 for 2. Points. Rebound by number 15. And now 7 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8 to 15. And 10 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 13. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. 10 for 2. And 2 points for number 13.
Score 43-46. 3 points lead by Zone 5. To shoot. Foul. Jersey number 26.
Sub ref.
Substitution ref.
Number 15 for 2 points. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. Number 8 to number 13. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. Headed for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 52. Intercepted by number 13. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 26. Last touch. Number 6 to number 15. Number 15 attempted for 2 points.
Score 50. 43 still in favor of Zone 5.
Number 13 is dribbling the ball.
15 to shoot.
Pass to number 8 to number 25. Foul. Number 6. And 25.
Pula. Hey!
Say 25. Number 6 ang foul.
Who's foul ref? Jersey number 6. Mamarinta, second personal foul. First team foul for the third quarter.
Number 13.
Technical. What's the violation, ref?
What's the verdict? Number 8.
Jersey number 8, Ibanez, technical.
Kumakaunti mo to sa personal lang. Technical. Play pa, agad. Play pa naman. Pat. Ar.
Another 1 point for number 13. Number 7 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Tender for 2, no good. Rebound by number 26. Oi, to number 8 for 2 points. Number 15 is dribbling the ball. Number 31 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 13. Number 13 to number 8. Number 8.
Goal!
5 to shoot. Foul. Number 8. Number 8 or 7? Number 7. Foul. Second personal foul, number 7.
Hey, atak na!
3rd team foul. Number 25. Pass to number 26. 26 for 2 points. Number 7 is dribbling the ball. Kabibo ba? Number 7 to number 3. Number 3 to number 8. Number 8 for 2 points. For number 8. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Rebound by number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 26. 26, no good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15, zero ball. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 6. 2 points for number 6. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 26, 10 for 2, no good. Rebound to number 15. Pass to number 8. Number 8, 10 for 2. Points for number 8. Time out. Wala. Diretso. Okay, time out. Number 7 to number 3 to number 15, 10 for 2. No good. Rebound by 26. Intercepted by number 3. Number 3 dribbling the ball. Intercepted number 26 to number 13. Number 13, 10 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 7. Pass number 2 to number 6. 2 points for number 6. Number 31 to number 8. Number 8 to 4 to number 26. No good. Rebound to number 15. 15 to number 7. Number 7 to number 6. Roy for 2. No good. Rebound by number 15. Foul. Number 8. Time out. Sorry. Sub the air. Number 4 fouled out. Score na. 56 to kanina. Warning for fouled out. Lorigas, number 8.
Sub. Yes.
Another 1 point for number 15.
Hey, yes.
Sub tayo na after that.
Decide.
Number 8 to number... intercepted number 7 to number 8. Pass to number 2. Number 2, 10 for 2. Points for number 2.
61-51. Still in favor of Zone 5. Exactly 2 minutes remaining time.
Lurigas. Pass to number 4. Number 4, 10 for 2, no good. 10 for
Time to shoot.
Bound by 15 to number 8. Number 8 to 15 to number 6. Ay!
Foul. Was foul ref.
Number
Foul.
6.
Barbarita.
Sub.
Substitution ref. Barbarita, third personal foul. Zone 5 under penalty.
Number 4 is dribbling the ball. Number 4, Tui. And that's number 8 to number 2. Number 2, 10 for 2. No good. Number 7 to number 8, attempted for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. 2 points for number 6. Foul number 24.
Jersey number 24, Sanchez, third personal foul, third team foul.
Another point for number 6. Score 64-51. Zone 5. Number 4 to number 26. 26 to number 24. 2 points for number 24.
Seconds.
Number 8 to number 2 to number 6. Intended for 2, no good. Okay. Zone 3's ball. Number 4 is dribbling.
40 seconds. 15 to shoot.
And number 26, no good. Again, for 2 points, number 25.
25 seconds. 20.
Number 8 is dribbling the ball.
10 to shoot.
Number 8 to number 15. For number 8 is dribbling the ball.
10 to shoot.
Number 8 to number 15 for 2 points. Number 4. Intended for 2, no good. Rebound by number 31 for 2 points. Time. 57.
Hey, Ata!
15 to shoot. For 3. 2 points by Birthday Boy Bacalian. Score 60. 68. 7 minutes, 7 minutes and 15 seconds. 7.
Number 25, foul. Second personal foul, number 25. Score 70-60. Zone 5. 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Another point for number 6. Number 31 to 26, and number 13 is dribbling the ball. Number 13 to 26. 26 to Birdie Boy. Birdie Boy to number 26, intended for 2. Birdie Boy to number 26, intended for 2 points for number 26. Number 2 is the dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. Number 8 to number 15. No good. Foul. Number 25. Third personal foul. Number 25. Second team foul. No good. Rebound by number 25, pass to number 26. Number 26 is dribbling the ball. And 10 for 2, no good. Rebound by number 31 for 2, no good again. Number 13 for 2 points. Number 13. 71-64. Zone 5. Number 7 to number 2 to number 8. Number 8 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 2. Pass to the referee.
6 seconds to shoot.
Number 15 pass to number 7. Intercepted by number 13. Pass to number 31. Number 31 for 2 points. Number 31. Timeout. Zone 5. Number 2 is dribbling the ball. Number 2 to number 7 again to batting on number 2. Pass to number 15 to number 8. Number 8 to number 6. For 2, number 6. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4. Number 4 to 13.
15 to shoot.
Number 25 to number
10 to
15 to
shoot.
31.
Traveling.
Falling. Number 31.
4 minutes and 58 seconds to play. Hello. Hello, mic test 1. Hello, mic test. Sound check 1. Hello.
Check.
15 to shoot.
Number 8 to number 15. Ay. Number 26. Number 25 to number 13. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4. 10 for 3. No good. Ball by number 3. Okay, number 7 is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 2. Number 2 to number 7. Number 7 to number 8 to number 15 and no good. Rebound by who's the ball?
Zone 5.
Zone 5 is the ball.
9 seconds to shoot.
Number 15. No good. Wait, number 15 again. 2 points for number 15. Remaining time for 4 minutes.
Time out.
Timeout. Zone 3. Game. Number 7 is holding the ball to number 8. Pass to the corner.
14 seconds to shoot.
Set. Number 15.
10 to shoot.
Pass to number 8. Number 8 to number intercepted by number 8 to number intercepted by number 4. Go for 2 points. Birdie boy.
Score 68-75. Still in favor of Zone 5. 20 seconds to shoot.
Number 15 serving the ball pass to number 2. Number 2 attended for key. Number 2. Number 2 attended for key. Points by number 2. Jude. Number 4.
Foul.
Foul, Kinsa.
This foul ref,
Number
Jersey
4.
Wakariad, second personal fouls, third team foul for the fourth quarter.
Balik, ikaw ng dana. Lagi tawag sa. Kita ka sa guys.
No, isang message one. Okay, pass to number 2. Number 2.
Pat, lima.
Foul.
Number 13, how many fouls?
Jersey number 13, Bayon, third personal foul, team under penalty. Under penalty, upat pa ka foul for zone 3.
Okay, number 6, pass to number 8. Number 8 is ready to the ball. Pass to number 2. Number 8 is ready to the ball. Pass to number 2. Pass for number 2. Number 13 is dribbling the ball. Number 13 to number 31. Number 31, no good, foul. Number 8, Ibanez.
Ibanias, foul down.
JJ.
Ibanias, jersey
Yes,
number
sir,
8,
foul.
ref.
Samson. Gol. Ano si Yao Ming? Sam.
Ref.
Substitution ref. Sunod niya. Sunod.
Number 8 is fouled out. Remaining time 2 minutes and 37 seconds. One point for number 31.
2 minutes
Number
and
15 pass to number 2, Batimolo.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Number 2 is dribbling the ball.
Padi lang.
Oh, intercepted by number 8, foul, number 2. Remaining time 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Number 8 to 26. Pass to number 31. 31 attempted for 2, no good. Foul number 3. Dougie Sunan. Remaining time 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Number 31, 34 to foul. Kinsa. Number 7 is foul.
Jersey number 7, Pabrukis, third personal foul, team under penalty.
Remaining time 2 and 8 seconds.
Reserve sub ref. Substitution ref.
Kuras. Number 2, Pass number 3. Number 3. Oi. What is that?
Miscommunication. 1 minute and 52 seconds to play.
Number 4 is dribbling ball. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 31. Number 13 again.
Out of bounds, Burlas has zone 5. One minute and 40 seconds. To shoot.
And to settle number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 26. 26 to 31. Foul.
There's a
Number
whistle. Whistle ref. Foul. Team penalty.
Penalty.
Brad.
Said goodbye. Foul. Number 26.
Foul jersey number 26. Team penalty.
Okay, relax, relax, relax. 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 Dula na biyan eh. Wait lang, ha? Technical na eh, technical. Ref. Wait lang. Isa, amin na mula din. Palingin ko, once a referee scored, that is final. Pero, kung yan mo na may table, ano mo sa table? Ano mo sa table? Kasama kayo, this is only a game. Ang sportsmanship dapat ipakita na to. Ano ha? Pero, ako naman ko, kita ko. Pero ato lang tarungon kay, we are in Barangay Mayahay. Lagi kita ko, pero dire ang tamo na may table. Okay, technical na, okay, technical. And that's final.
Unsportsmanlike behavior.
And before that, ref, wait lang. We would like to request, ako lang gahan nyo ang mga players na dili mo dula, dito lang mo, lingkod lang mo. Zone 3 and Zone 4, Zone 5, paliw ko lingkod lang mo. At ay pakita yung sportsmanlike, batik kaining, this is only a game.
Referees, there is a table.
Referee parehog sa table.
Coach from both teams. Zone
Palihog ko sa coaches.
3.
Zone 3 and 4. Ano, 5 should say. Ang mga players ito lang. Alam mo kapil-apil, mga players.
Dito may atubangan kayo. Mula na nakuha. Tawag mo mga nakasabi. Sige namin mo dula. Laro kayo.
4 seconds. seconds.
Zone